Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to be making this little handled punch. I was trying to make something to replace this hideous old hammer eye punch I made, but it ended up being a little bit too dainty, but it'll be plenty useful for other things. The steel I'm starting with is 3.5 inches of 1.25 inch round. This is just printing press roller, the same as some of the last things I've been doing, so let's get to work. Got center punch marks where I'm going to punch the eye, so now I'm going to start punching and knock that hole in there. Alright, almost there. There's part of that plug, but it wasn't super pretty, so there's a little more I gotta knock out of there. There we go. Got the eye punched. Now we're going to start drifting it wider. Alright, now that I've got that neck down, maybe I took it a little bit too far. But now we're going to draw that out and make our punch. Alright, I've got a 60 grit belt on here, and we're just gonna start grinding. I'm gonna smooth up the punch end. I'm gonna make that nice and flat. And I'm also gonna dress up the struck end so it's smooth and rounded off, and it's not gonna mar my hammers or anything when I'm hitting it. I'm just gonna round these corners off so it fits nice on the handle and doesn't like peel up any wood or anything. Alright, there's that all ground up. I finished it out with just a coarse Scotch-Brite belt. Now we're gonna take this. This is a hickory blank. I've already got the eye drawn out there, the shape of the eye. So now we're just gonna shape this up real quick and fit it onto the head here of the punch. And this isn't gonna get wedged or anything, just because it's just better if you don't wedge top tools like this. Alright, there we go. The steel was another piece of that printing press roller. I checked it with the Rockwell files, and it got up between 55 and 60 Rockwell and a water quench. And then it's a hickory handle. I didn't wedge it. That way it's super easy to just tighten it up. I can just knock it on the anvil. I left that nice and octagonal. Feels really good and get a really good grip. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.